Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of black tea. Get ready to embark on a voyage of flavor, culture, and well-being as we dive into the world of black tea. From its rich history to its potential health wonders, we're about to unravel the captivating story behind this beloved brew. Join us as we explore the enticing aroma, the soothing warmth, and the countless ways black tea can potentially enrich your life, from boosting heart health to sharpening focus. So, grab your favorite cup, steep your curiosity, and let's journey into the extraordinary realm of black tea's health benefits. Let's begin with heart health. Black tea is armed with a potent arsenal of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like catechins and theaflavins. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to heart disease. Regular consumption of black tea has been associated with improvements in cholesterol levels. The theaflavins in black tea may help lower levels of LDL cholesterol while maintaining or even increasing levels of HDL cholesterol. This delicate balance is essential for a healthy heart. The antioxidants in black tea contribute to better cardiovascular function. They help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol particles, a process that can lead to plaque buildup in arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. Did you know black tea can offer digestive support? Black tea's polyphenols, particularly catechins and theaflavins, have shown promise in promoting a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy gut flora contributes to efficient digestion and better overall digestive health. The tannins in black tea can have a mild astringent effect that might help soothe digestive discomfort. They can help calm irritated stomach lining and alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Black tea contains compounds that may stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, including pepsin and gastrin. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down food and aiding in digestion. Compounds in black tea might aid in promoting healthy gut motility. This means that black tea can help regulate the movement of food through your digestive tract, preventing issues like constipation. Wait, there is more. The caffeine content in black tea can act as a gentle stimulant for the digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The tannins in black tea may help reduce excess gas production and bloating by promoting smoother digestion and preventing the fermentation of undigested food in the gut. Compounds in black tea, such as tannins and polyphenols, may have anti-nausea effects, making it a potential remedy for easing mild nausea. But the benefits don't stop there. Black tea contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can provide a moderate energy boost. The caffeine in black tea can enhance alertness by blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep and relaxation. The combination of caffeine and an amino acid called L-theanine found in black tea can promote mental clarity and focus. L-theanine has a calming effect that complements caffeine's stimulating effects, helping to avoid jitteriness. Caffeine, when consumed in moderation, can temporarily improve cognitive functions such as memory, reaction time, and attention span. Black tea's caffeine content makes it a natural choice for a mental pick-me-up. Starting your day with a cup of black tea can be an excellent way to kickstart your morning routine. Its caffeine content can help you transition from groggy to ready to go in no time. Let's explore how black tea can promote oral health. Black tea contains polyphenols that may inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, including those responsible for cavities and dental plaque formation. Compounds in black tea can potentially help protect tooth enamel from erosion caused by acidic foods and beverages. This protective effect contributes to overall dental health. Black tea's polyphenols have shown promise in reducing the growth of bacteria associated with gum disease. Regular consumption might support healthier gums and prevent gingivitis. What's more, the antimicrobial properties of black tea can help control bad breath by combating the bacteria that cause it. It can serve as a natural remedy for maintaining fresh breath. Black tea leaves naturally contain fluoride, which is known to strengthen tooth enamel and prevent tooth decay. Regular consumption can provide a supplemental source of this essential mineral. Let's not forget about brain health. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in black tea may improve cognitive function, including focus, concentration, and mental clarity. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Next on our journey, immune system. Black tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins and theaflavins, that help strengthen the immune system by neutralizing harmful free radicals and protecting cells from damage. Polyphenols in black tea have shown potential in supporting the activation of immune cells, such as lymphocytes and macrophages, which play a key role in the body's defense against infections. The antioxidants in black tea can contribute to a robust immune response by promoting the production of cytokines, proteins that regulate immune cell communication and coordination. What's more, some studies suggest that regular consumption of black tea may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for diabetes management. Now let's explore how black tea can potentially provide stress relief. Black tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has calming effects on the nervous system. L-theanine promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness, making black tea an ideal choice for stress relief. Regular consumption of black tea might help regulate cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Keeping cortisol levels balanced can reduce the negative effects of chronic stress. L-theanine may help regulate the release of certain stress-related neurotransmitters, contributing to an overall sense of calm and emotional balance. Black tea's caffeine content can temporarily increase metabolic rate, aiding in calorie burning and potentially contributing to weight loss or weight management. Caffeine in black tea can enhance fat oxidation, the process of breaking down stored fat for energy. This effect can be particularly beneficial during physical activity. Black tea's compounds, including caffeine, can help regulate appetite by influencing hormones that control hunger and fullness, potentially reducing overeating. Replacing high-calorie beverages with unsweetened black tea can help reduce overall calorie intake while providing hydration and flavor. And lastly, black tea's abundance of antioxidants, including polyphenols and catechins, helps protect skin cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This protection contributes to youthful and healthy-looking skin. The antioxidants in black tea might aid in maintaining collagen levels. Collagen is essential for skin elasticity and preventing the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Black tea's compounds can potentially slow down the breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers, supporting firmness and minimizing signs of aging. What's more, staying hydrated is crucial for healthy skin. Drinking black tea, especially herbal blends, can contribute to overall hydration, promoting supple and moisturized skin. Black tea's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne. Some people find topical application of cooled black tea helpful for soothing acne-prone skin. And there you have it, tea enthusiasts. A flavorful journey through the myriad health benefits of black tea. It proves to be more than just a soothing sip. It's a natural elixir for your well-being. So as you savor each cup, remember the remarkable ways black tea can enhance your life. Cheers to your health and a future steeped in wellness. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.